Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cetus token from Cetus Protocol. CETUS is the ticker symbol. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Cetus Protocol is the name of the token. Cetus is the ticker symbol. This token is being listed today, May 11th, 10 o'clock UTC time, on a central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Cetus, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, it is listed around, I'm not sure exactly when UTC is compared to EST, which is the time zone I'm on, Eastern time zone, but around the time I upload this video, it should be on MEXC, so I would go check it out right away. Now, if you want to find information on Cetus Protocol, they have a Twitter at Cetus Protocol. It's really easy to find. They have a webpage, cetus.zone. They have their block explorer. Now, this is on the SUI blockchain, if you've heard of that. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I've never actually heard it pronounced. Should I even bother trying to pronounce? No. SUI, that's the blockchain. So you could check out their SUI. Is it SUI? I don't know. SUI scan. I don't actually watch much crypto videos. I just read everything. So I don't hear things pronounced. Some people correct me in videos, and I appreciate being corrected on my pronunciation of certain words because I just read them. But anyways, I digress. So that's what blockchain it is on. And you can find all the information on their white paper, their documents, which you could find at cetus-1.getbook.io. So Cetus is a pioneer DEX and a concentrated liquidity protocol built on the SUI and Aptos blockchain. Or SUI? Could be. I want to look it up after this just so I don't sound stupid in these videos trying to pronounce things I've never heard before. The mission of Cetus is to, I could even be pronouncing Cetus wrong. It could be Ketus or something for all I know. Building a powerful and flexible underlying liquidity network to make trading easier for any users and assets. It focuses on delivering the best trading experience and superior liquidity efficiency to DeFi users through the process of building its concentrated liquidity protocol and a series of affiliate interoperable functional modules. So it's permissionless. All the major tools and functions of Cetus are basically built with a permissionless standard. It allows users or applications to utilize its protocol for their own use case at any time, no matter how it's set up in a new trading pool or to allocate incentives to rent liquidity from the public. Cetus is building a highly customizable liquidity protocol based on CLMM. Through flexible composition of swap, range, order, and limit order, users can almost conduct all kinds of complex trading strategies that could be achieved on a central exchange. Besides, liquidity providers are also able to execute various maker strategies using CLMM to maximize their liquidity efficiency. Cetus embraces the concept of liquidity as a service, so it puts emphasis on the ease of integration when building its products. Developers and applications can easily access the liquidity on Cetus to build their own products such as a liquidity vault, derivatives, leveraged farming, etc. A new project team can also easily set up a swap interface of its own front end by integrating Cetus SDK, which will help them access the liquidity of Cetus and even the whole market real quick. So also sustainability, Cetus adopts a double token model fueled by Cetus and XCetus. Long-term and dynamic incentivization sustained by protocol earnings is implemented to reward those active participants of the protocol. It wants to make sure the real contributors of the protocol can be effectively incentivized by the scientific token economy. So there is all sorts of socials. They have a Twitter, Discord, Medium, 2 different Telegram channels. Now, if you want to check out the protocol concepts on their document section, they go over the concentrated liquidity, the fees, swapping, their swap fees, liquidity mining, range orders, Oracle, and the cross-chain bridge. Now, there's also frequently asked questions. There's guides on how to swap, how to add liquidity, how to remove liquidity. For developers, they have integration and contracts you could check out. Now, they also have the tokenomics. So there is a max total supply of 1 billion Cetus tokens. The native fungible protocol token of Cetus, ticker symbol Cetus, is a transferable representation of attributed governance and utility functions specified in the protocol code of Cetus, and which is designed to be used solely as an interoperable utility token. Users can earn it through liquidity mining on Cetus. So it's multifunctional. It can be used as a medium of exchange. There's revenues, dividend profits, investment returns, all sorts of things on here. So distribution, 50% of the tokens go to community and LP, 15% investors, 15% liquidity treasury, 20% team and advisors. Now the XCetus token, it says this is the governance token. So you can get this through, I believe, staking. Let me scroll down here. You could probably stake this token and then you get the XCetus token, I would assume. So Cetus and XCetus can be converted mutually with each other. So that's how it works. It's a ratio of 1 to 1. There's vesting. And you can check out more information. Utilities, governance, farm boosting, launchpad participation, liquidity lockups, incentivization programs, leaderboards, all sorts of stuff on here. Check it all out. Cetus-1.gitbook.io is where all the info is. And you can find this token newly listed as of today on MEXC Global. So check out that MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you guys like this video, leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.